In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an emoji in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to jazz up your workspace with some expressive icons, this is a simple yet effective way to make your notes and documents both fun and engaging. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Notion's website. Now, if it's been a while since you last used Notion, make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this by clicking the Login button that's typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your details, and just like that, you're back in your workspace. If you haven't used Notion before, you'll need to sign up and create an account first. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Notion homepage. This is your command center where all your projects, notes, and tasks live. From here, select the specific page where you want to add an emoji. Simply click on the page title, and it'll open up for editing. Now let's bring in those emojis. For Windows users, there's a handy shortcut you can use. Simply press the Windows key and the period key simultaneously. This little trick will reveal the emoji panel, allowing you to select and insert an emoji anywhere in your document. It's a quick and efficient way to browse through a vast range of emojis. Just click on your chosen emoji, and it will slot itself wherever your cursor is positioned in the text. Using emojis can really bring your pages to life. Whether it's adding a little rocket ship to signal a project launch, or a light bulb to highlight an important idea, the possibilities are endless. They're not just for show either. Emojis can help you quickly locate and sort through your documents, as they stand out in a list of plain text items. And there you have it. Inserting an emoji in Notion is really that simple. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your documents and make navigation a little more intuitive. Plus, it adds a personal touch that can make organizing your work more enjoyable. Remember, using emojis can be a fun way to express yourself, and in Notion, it's done with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on how to make the most out of your Notion experience.